fares that are more affordable than a pair of jeans. Easy, direct connectivity to hundreds of destinations in Europe and beyond. Holidaying abroad becoming available for everyone. These are just some of the ways that travel has changed over the last 30 years. And they're things that would have seemed unthinkable. But what does the future hold? How are we going to be traveling 50 years from now? easyJet has been working with an esteemed panel of futurologists and industry experts to create the Future Travel Report, predicting how we'll be travelling in the year 2070. And as part of that study, we've also asked the travelling public which predictions they're most excited about. Instead of just hearing about history at your destination from a tour guide, in the future you'll be able to immersively live the experience using haptic suits and virtual reality. You'll be able to explore the ancient wonders of the world, the Colossus at Rhodes, or maybe the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Never worry about forgetting your passport again, as experts predict that our heartbeat will become our personal identification. Just imagine in the future an aircraft seat that can automatically adapt to your body shape, to your temperature, for optimal comfort. And don't worry if you forget to charge your devices, because your favourite shows will be able to be beamed right in front of your eyes. In 2070, we'll be able to personalise food orders, providing infinite choice and doing away with waste by 3D printing all of your favourite meals at the holiday buffet. It's clear we can expect to see some really incredible changes in the next 50 years and beyond. The way that we move through airports, the way that we actually fly, and what happens at our destinations. I think it's fair to say that the future of travel and the tourist industry is set to be very, very exciting.